With the rapid development of technology, 3D printing continues to play a more important role in various fields of our modern society. As the demand for industrial design and small batch production continues to grow, Shining 3D proudly offers AccuFab L4K high-precision resin 3D printer equipped with high-end hardware configuration for your professional application development. The field of industrial design, how to successfully achieve the leap from drawings to objects has always been the biggest challenge for many enterprises and design teams, aiming to help enterprises improve new product design and development process. Shining 3D has independently developed integrated hardware and software solutions, which covers from 3D digitalization to intelligent design and direct manufacturing via 3D printing. In AccuFab L4's design software, Shining 3D has developed a number of unique and practical functions based on actual application scenario to help designers operate efficiently, speed up work process, and save more time for creative design. L4K 3D printer is compatible with a long list of engineering resins, helping you accomplish your creative designs with more flexibility. Equipped with simplified process program, a touch screen with a simple click-to-print function, AccuFab L4K is one of the most easy-to-use 3D printers in today's market. L4K features light intensity control system and high-performance precision drive system, which would improve luminance uniformity up to 90%, achieving micron-level precision control to ensure print accuracy and print stability. With help of high resolution and large forming space, users can quickly form their workpiece with rich feature details. L4K supports constant 3D printing with stable performance, which can be used for accelerating iteration of design prototypes, implementing rapid production of small batches, spare parts, handicraft, and medical accessories. The AccuFab L4K is your ideal choice for high-precision resin 3D printer.